A venomous snakebite can be terrifying, and even worse, it can be very scary, deadly. The World Health Organization estimates that 5 million people worldwide are bit by snakes every year, and at least 81,000 people die each year because of a snakebite, according to WHO data. Antivenom, made of antibodies, are typically used to treat certain snake bites, but it's not always effective and can take a long time to produce. But now, scientists at the University of Washington, they found a way to use artificial intelligence to develop a new kind of antivenom.
We targeted a class of toxins that are very lethal.
Susana Vasquez-Torres worked on her PhD in biochemistry at UW-Medicine. She and her team designed proteins using none other than deep learning AI models. Tests have shown the proteins effectively neutralize the venom from the family of snakes that include cobras and mambas.
We demonstrated that these molecules could offer better therapeutic options compared to what is used right now.
It's a nod to the future of medication development.
Dr. Scott Phillips is the executive medical director of the Washington Poison Center. He says UW's research is exciting and a contrast to current antibody treatments
That are made traditionally by immunizing an animal and then harvesting that serum and purifying it and removing anything that might cause a reaction.
Vasquez-Torres' method, however, doesn't use antibodies at all. Instead, relies on the specially designed proteins.
You don't need to rely on an animal. You can just rely on the power of these computational methods and discover them much more faster.
Her findings, published in the journal Nature, were in collaboration with the UW Institute for Protein Design, co-led by David Baker, who recently won a Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his work in computational protein design. The team tested the new protein on mice, which showed it worked better than existing treatments.
There is a huge need for antidotes, like there is actually not enough. There is a shortage of them.
Vasquez-Torres adds the newly developed proteins don't need refrigeration and can be produced quickly, providing hope for lower to middle income regions in the world where treatments for tropical conditions like snake bites may be lacking.
Hopefully, this is something that we'll all see a safer and more widely available and cheaper antivenom that we can all use.